Welcome to Pure Octane Garage, where we bring you kitchen information and other kitchen goodness.
Yeah, see, our sign got changed.
Wait, this doesn't feel right.
Okay, all right. Yeah.
Something's not right.
No, we're over. Yeah.
Oh.
We're done. You guys are done. Goodbye.
Welcome to Pure Octane Garage. We are talking about kitchen stuff, because guess what time of year it is?
It's pumpkin spice season!
Woo! Okay, and
That felt good.
we have our Adams home care kit that we usually get every year. Now, one comment about this, Adams, y'all didn't print the box. It's a sticker.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like the printed boxes better. They're better. Yeah, okay. Well, let's see what we're going to talk about today, shall we?
Sure, let's do it.
If I can get it open. Dropped on the floor.
Yeah, not the best box.
Nope.
Here, I'll help you.
Here we go. There we go.
Ready? We're walking. We're walking.
We're walking. Yeah.
There we go.
Look at how pretty. Nice, nice.
At least they pulled it in on the label design, right?
Yes, the labels are very, very cool. All right, so
Let's use it.
drop it down. All right, so number one is the dish soap. And I'm not sure what it's scented as, so let's try it out. Wash, wash. Oh, dish suds. And it smells like lemons. Lemon, lemon, lemon. So what is the scent, gentlemen?
You're correct, it's spice lemon.
Spice? Oh, spice lemon.
Spicy lemon.
Spicy. Oh,
Lemon.
that's nice. Looks amazing. Okay. I like the little artwork. It's cute.
I'm gonna get the blue one because I like blue.
That is your Quilla.
Glass cleaners.
And just in case you have silly people stick cookies to your door or your window, in
Or
this
dog
case,
boogers.
or dog boogers, yes.
I think Denise goes to the Ryan School of Product Use.
Which is what?
Lots of it.
A lot. Well, you know what? No streaks.
All right,
It's
no
cool.
streaks,
So,
streak
okay.
free.
Yeah, streak free.
What's the
Very nice.
verdict?
Smell it.
What's it smell like?
Smells. I
blue.
like that one.
It smells yummy. I have no
Smells
idea what that
yummy.
smells like.
Is that the vanilla nutmeg?
Vanilla nutmeg. Is that right? Vanilla nutmeg. Okay.
Oh yeah, totally. You get vanilla when you smell the glass.
It does smell really good.
Oh yeah, when you do smell the glass. Yeah, it smells like
Just
vanilla.
makes me hungry.
I know, right? Now I want to eat
like-
cookies.
Mmm.
Always.
Okay.
Surface cleaner is green.
What you using there, Shelly?
I'm using Adams Polishes Home Surface Cleaner. And since this is a home surface, I figure this is going to come
What's
in very
that?
handy.
What's the scent?
The scent, well, it smells a lot like pumpkin right now, but let me smell it actually. But let's try this one more time. Yes, it's sleeping green apple.
Mmm. I smell it.
Like a Jolly Rancher.
Like,
Jolly Rancher green apple.
That smells good. I like that. Yeah. And last one's obviously going to be pumpkin spice. The odor neutralizer, which has the pumpkin spice scent. So, see how it does. So
And you know, just in case you guys don't know this, you get a little utility microfiber towel with it, and of course all of the appropriate things like this. All right, so that is the 2023 pumpkin spice collection home care pumpkin spice kit from Adams Polishes. What do you think of the scents this year?
I like them all actually. Win, 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 win.
Me too.
Win.
Yeah,
spice?
yeah. I actually like it this year. It's not really like overpowering, which I think is a great idea.
It's not offensive. They could have all been vanilla nutmeg, and I would have been good with that. Or green apple. I'm a green apple fan.
I do like
so.
the apple. Yep.
Yeah.
for sure. They're
All right.
delicious. And yeah.
Well, we say if you'd rather us be in the videos than the guys, feel free to just comment below. Otherwise, they'll be back next week or in 2 weeks, and we'll see you again next year.
Exactly. And don't forget to like and subscribe and check out the cool merch below.
Yep. All the
Thanks,
good
guys.
stuff.
We'll see you next year. Bye.
Happy pumpkin spice.
Dude, you're what are you doing?
You got mad at that pumpkin.
Why does it go everywhere?
God. I'm gonna clean the whole
Well,
kitchen.
Jack's